Hey guys, Anyways Help here. Welcome back to the channel. Today I wanted to share with you guys my personal tips and recommendations on how to properly clean the speaker grills, the lightning port, and the microphones on your iOS devices. Now this video was highly requested, so I wanted to share my personal tips and recommendations, but I also went on Apple's website to see what Apple recommends in order to clean those speaker grills, microphones, and lightning ports on your iOS device. Now, as we know, iPhones are always in our pockets, in and out, they're everywhere, and lint, dust, and everything else can get in between the ports, the lightning port, the speaker grills, and so much more. So the first thing I want to tackle is the lightning port. Now, in order to clean the lightning port, the first thing you want to do is power off your iPhone. This is recommended by Apple, so make sure you power off your iPhone before you go into the lightning port, and never use anything metal. And this was recommended by Apple, never use anything metal into the lightning port. This could cause issues. So just use something plastic or wooden like a toothpick. You can see right here, and just simply just go in there and start removing any gunk, any debris that may be in there, any lint from your jeans that may be stuck in there. So all you have to do is simply go into the port and do that, just like so. Did you see that coming out? Just simply clean it out. This is my iPhone XS, so this one is a couple years old, so there is lint in there. When you go to plug in your iPhone, if there's lint in there, your iPhone may not charge because the lightning port may not go in the entire way and therefore not connecting properly. So just simply clean it like so. Just simply go ahead and do that. Never use any water or any liquid in there either. So just plastic or wooden toothpick will do just fine. And if you can go ahead and grab a spray can like this one, just kind of spray it out just like that, or air it out. That's all you really need to do in regards to the port. Now, when it comes to the actual speaker grill, I want to talk about this one first. This one has a little mesh there, and it's slightly more sensitive than the ones at the bottom. So you want to use a toothbrush, just like this one here, a regular toothbrush, and you just kind of brush it out. You see some of that stuff in there, just kind of brush it out just like so. Very gently. Don't go too much pressure on this one because, again, as I mentioned, you can actually puncture or break the actual mesh in there for these speakers. So go ahead and clean it off just like so with a cloth, and just continue this process as many times as you need. Again, this is just a regular toothbrush, and I'm going very gently here on the actual speaker for the actual phone here at the top. Now at the bottom we have the microphone and additional speakers. These ones are slightly tougher, but you don't want to go too tough on them as well. So just kind of clean them off just like so. Just kind of use the toothbrush just to get it in there very gently. Right there we go. And you can actually do this on the port as well a little bit if you wish to do that. And just kind of clean them off just like that, and just get all the gunk and dust that may be inside the speaker grill. Of course, this will help with audio quality in the future. Of course, the lightning port will give you a better connection for charging and a better hearing experience right there on the actual speaker at the top. Again, you can actually use some of this air in the can and just air it out just like so. There we go. And just do the top here as well. And that's pretty much it. This is the parts that get the most gunk, dust, and debris, and maybe lint from your jeans. So that is what Apple recommends. Those are some of my personal tips as well. Make sure you power off your iPhone, just a regular toothbrush, just a regular plastic toothpick, and maybe some air if you can grab air on a can just to air it out, and just wipe everything off with a cloth. And that pretty much brings an end to this video. I hope this answers that one question you guys have been asking: how to properly clean the speaker grills, microphone, and actual lightning port on your iOS device. Thank you for watching this quick one, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.